Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can add custom token on Phantom Wallet. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Phantom Wallet. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on this manage token lists. And once you tap on that one, you will see this plus icon at the top right corner. So you will click on that one to add a custom one. So in here, you just have to provide the mint address, name, and the symbol. So to be able to do that, you just have to go to any safe website where you can see all these information about the custom token that you want to add. So I'm just going to go ahead and add them. So I'm just going to paste it in here. The address, the name, which is this one, and then the symbol. So once you're done, go ahead and tap on add right here. So as you can see in here, this will cost this amount of Solana. So you'll just have to take note on that one. So once you're done, go ahead and tap on add. And there you have it. The token is successfully added to your Phantom wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!